Alternative medicine is the term for medical products and practices that are not part of standard care. Standard care is what medical doctors, doctors of osteopathy, and allied health professionals such as registered nurses and physical therapists practice. Alternative medicine means treatments that you use instead of standard ones. People in Pakistan use alternative therapies, especially those who have faith in spiritual healers, hakims, and homeopaths.
Especially in allopathy. That is, in negligence develops this the attitude towards the patients. Doctor's attitude is not good, you can see. That is the cause of this, and a lot of side effects of the medicine, wrong combinations of the medicine in allopathy, which causes the another diseases in other part of body. These are
Research has shown that spiritual healing can provide permanent relief from the worries and difficulties that plague us. According to the spiritual healers, it can affect enduring mental, physical, and emotional changes. Spiritual healing is the channeling of spiritual energies by the healer to help a patient deal with his illness or injury.
The people who come to us for spiritual healing are those who are fed up from the other ways of treatment. There are many ailments for which they can't find any healer. Doctors can only treat the diseases which are physical symptoms, but there are problems for which no medicine works. Most important ones are when people suffer from some relation problems at home.
Reasons to go for alternative therapies are the proximity, affordable fee, availability of the provider, family pressure, and a strong opinion of the community, as well as poverty compounded by illiteracy. In Pakistan, over half the population, at 66%, lives in the rural areas.
If we think at the grassroots level, the number one reason is the ignorance or non-literacy, because the people do not have the right attitude and behavior, that how and from where to get the treatment when they become sick. Other thing is the poverty, which is very much linked with the non-literacy as well. But the third and the most important thing is, which is at the level of government, is the absence of the some effective policy, and whatsoever the policy is existing, it is not being implemented as it should be.
The situation in clinics run by registered hakims is also not satisfactory. Registered clinics do not have registered hakims and are instead run by unqualified practitioners. The government has failed to stop the rising number of quack doctors. Though much has been written about the dangers of getting treatment from them, people continue to go to them. Dominant among the people who visit these quacks are the youth who listen to their striking speeches with sparkling bottles of various oils and glossy carcasses of reptiles, claiming cure for all diseases. Homeopathy is an effective system of alternative therapy which assists the natural tendency of the body to heal itself. It recognises that symptoms of ill health are expressions of disharmony in a person, and that it is the patient who needs treatment, not the disease. In 1965, the government of Pakistan passed an act under which homeopathy and the indigenous herbal systems of medicines were regulated. Homeopaths wishing to continue their practice were assessed by a government-nominated board of senior homeopaths. All practitioners with sufficient experience and knowledge of the system were formally registered and allowed to continue their practice.
It doesn't have any side effects or long-term after effects. And also this therapy, this method of cure is relatively cheaper.
Reiki and reflexology have also been introduced to Pakistan. Acupuncture and acupressure are also widely practiced in Karachi, Lahore and the capital Islamabad, but there is a severe shortage of doctors for this particular type of therapy.
In Reiki, it is very effective. It is a bit time consuming because it has some stages. In first stage, you heal through touch of hands. Then in second stage, you heal with a distance healing, and in that it works like radio waves to a distance. And actually, human body is having 6 volts of electricity and some magnetism, and we are having an aura, electromagnetic field. This is also known as holistic healing because we are healing the mind and body, not only body, all the aspects, all the dimensions of the human being.
The solution lies only in bringing these healers who use alternative therapies into the mainstream by providing them with proper training and medical facilities. The state regulatory authorities have a crucial role to play in this respect, especially in terms of recognition, finance, research and training. There is some debate between medical researchers whether any kind of therapy can be properly classified as alternative medicine. Studies here in Pakistan reveal that alternative approaches are often used in conjunction with conventional medicines. Adil Sabir, Press TV in Islamabad.